What's up, Baker Gators? Let's talk about what Adobe Premiere Pro has to offer compared to other video editing softwares. First, Adobe Premiere Pro is a timeline-based and non-linear video editing software application. Let's talk about some pros of Premiere Pro. It is extremely popular and has supporting video and audio editing as well as VR presentations. It is updated frequently and has plenty of troubleshooting forums and online discussions to search for issues and understanding the software. It's fairly easy to learn and allows for excellent professional editing software or a great learning tool for new editors. It is simple navigation and personalization allows you to organize windows to your own preferences. It feels more familiar as you spend more time using it. Premiere Pro is approachable and leaves a lot of room for editors to define their own personal workflow. It edits high-resolution videos and supports many file formats. With Premiere Pro, you don't have to be a seasoned editor to get started with the software. Let's compare it to other softwares. Premiere Pro is more equipped to handle the workload of your project and media files. It is for more complex video projects with many video tracks that Adobe Final Cut Pro cannot accomplish. Premiere Pro is also more compatible compared to Apple iMovie. Because of this compatibility, it offers more compatible platforms, and Premiere Pro is also available for Windows and Mac, unlike iMovie. Last but not least, Premiere Pro has more advanced levels of editing tools like color, audio, or motion than Adobe Premiere Rush. Thanks for tuning in on this session of the Adobe softwares. Until next time, go Gators!